Priya.
Very Shreya. Okay, good evening, students. By video, by phone calls, by lots of WhatsApp messages, I have tried to explain that how to enter by minimum 4 keys. Secondly, maximum number of time I have given reminder to complete 6 tests, but every day 3, 4, 5 students are only increasing. Means students are not listening at all. An individual group I have given that is as per 9th standard. Forget about what is written on your report card. Especially 10th B student, where are there? 50% only attendance is there. Even in Google Class, even in WhatsApp, and I think zero in online group. So where are? That is why I want to delete joint group of ABC. Now I will operate separate, so I can at least come to know that how many are in B, how many are in C. Even from C division, 7 students are not joined in individual class. To your class teacher also I have told, for A division Anurag sir, for B division Neelam miss, for C division Amita miss. They are also searching the student. You are the 10th standard, you have to search the school, you have to search your subject teacher. Every day same explanation, every day same. And those who are coming online, that is good, and they have to listen all this. But you encourage your student, and you even I have sent the video in that more than 200 students are there. From that, suppose 50 are coming, 25% attendance. Now full staff, including principal, we all are very sick for attendance. Online attendance I will get. Google attendance also I will get. In WhatsApp I will give the assignment. Yesterday there was some problem. From today onwards you will get. And near about 6, today we will start 6th problem set of math. 3 algebra, 3 geometry. So 6th chapter complete, or more than 50%. So where are the students? And for rest of 150, I am very panicked that in full school's 10th standard math responsibility I have taken. So you joined at least anyhow from Google Class or from online first, from WhatsApp. It is my responsibility to teach you, to solve your all the doubts. Once we will complete this problem set, no, this last 6th problem set of geometry chapter 3, then we will start from zero again. Everyday problem solving. That you have any doubt, you want me the solution of different type, you want another method. So many time I am sending message, you are what you are reading or not, and my managing team also giving lots of message in group wise, in joint group. 200 students, see the response. What the teacher will do, tell me. Last year we have given math science 100% result. Yesterday only with Amita miss, with Sankita madam, with Sankita miss, with Neelam miss, we have talked that what these students are doing. They will spoil our name, they will spoil the school name, they will spoil full on SSC board result. That I will not consider. What is going on? Especially for your online lecture, in last week I came from hospital. So I am not very much bothered or very much serious for my health issue or my family issue. I am very much worried about your study, that 10th standard students, what they are doing. What the dedication I am giving, I need at least 5% from your side. Those who are coming regularly, thanks to them, they are coming, but you just insist your group, your class might attend all that. Okay, so let's start with problem set 3, geometry. In last lecture, I have taken 3 theorems, very important. When perpendicular drawn from the center on a chord, it bisects the chord. And from the center, if you will draw the bisector, it is a perpendicular. 2 segments drawn from a point outside the circle are always congruent. Third very important theorem that we have done, cyclic quadrilateral means when 4 vertices of a quadrilateral are on a circle, then it is said to be cyclic. And there is a property of cyclic quadrilateral that sum of opposite angle is always 180. If it is ABCD, so A opposite C, sum of A plus C, 180. Angle B opposite angle D, so angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. We will start with MCQ. This year for 10th standard, for SSC board, MCQ, why it is more important? Because when they have announced 25% reduction of the syllabus, at that time they have announced that they will increase the mark of MCQ. That is why small thing I am repeating again and again. That 9 theorem, that 9 formula also I will repeat 2-3 times. So they will give some substitution, you have to find out some calculation. These are the textual MCQ also, and these small things, sentence, axioms, rules, formula, that you have to by heart. From that only they will ask MCQ, multiple choice question. What is the meaning of MCQ? So now it's time to awake. 50% time gone. Within rest of the 50% time, we have to win the race. I will run behind each and every student. Do this. You have to do anyhow. Let's start MCQ. So these are very important because marks of MCQ will be more than double, surely. So that will be a very big opportunity for you people to score high. And I am crying for your reason that my math science result should not go down. This year also I want to continue with 100% result of especially math science. Every teacher, they are trying for that subject. Okay, so otherwise can we start? 2 circles with a radius 5.5, 3.5 touch each other. What is the distance between their center? 5.5 given and 3.3 given. If it is internally, then subtraction. If it is externally, if we touch externally, at that time you have to make the total of it. When it is internally, you have to take the difference. So both are possibilities. They have not given internal or external. So your answer must be D. First. Second question. Two circles intersect each other passing through the center. Two circles intersect each other such that each circle pass to the center of other. The distance between their center is 12. What is the radii of each circle? Two circles are passing from each other center. From this center, this circle is passing. From this center, this circle is passing. So the common radii, that is the radii of both. So 12. So 12 centimeter it is given B. So the answer is B. Two circles passing from center of each other. So the radius are common. Third, a circle touch all the side of a parallelogram. The parallelogram must be circle touch all the side of parallelogram. Circle touch all the side of parallelogram. It can be rhombus, it can be square, rectangle, rhombus, square, trapezium. A circle touch all the side of a parallelogram. So parallelogram must be both the answer are correct, B and C, because it can be a square. Parallelogram whose sides are touching to the circle. First, rectangle it is not possible. Rhombus it is possible. Square it is possible. Both are possible. In square also all sides are touching by the circle. Parallelogram also. So both answers are correct. Fourth, length of a tangent drawn from a point which is at a distance 12.5 from the center 12. Find the diameter of the circle. Length of a tangent segment drawn from a point which is length of tangent segment is 12.5 from the center of a circle. Radii we have to find. This is 12.5. This is given 12. Find this. So r square plus 12 square is equal to 12.5 square. R square is equal to 12.5 square minus 12 square. This plus this, how much? 24.5. This into this, 0.5. So r square is equal to 245 into 5 by 100. This decimal, this decimal. Take 5 from this. 5. I have taken factor of 5. I have taken factor of 245. That is 549. Now 49 also I'll write 7 into 7. So 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pairs. So 7 into 5 by 10. 35 by 10. So the radii is 3.5, but they have asked diameter. So fourth answer is 7, means C. 7 centimeter. Fifth, two circles are touching externally. How many common tangents of them can be drawn? Two circles are touching externally. How many common tangents? The tangent which are common for both the circles. See, these tangents are for both the circles. These tangents are both the circle. These tangents are both the circle. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So total 3. So the answer is C. Sixth one. Sixth one, I'll draw here. In a circle, angle ACB is equal to 65 degrees. So how much ACB arc, this arc? This arc, of this arc, this is the half angle. So from inscribed angle, inscribed arc are double. So this is 130. But they have not asked this, they have asked rest. So 36 minus 360 minus 130. So 230, that is D. Seventh, chord AB and CD intersect each other in a circle 8 point E. ABCD E. AE 5.6. EB 10. CE 8. How much ED? X. You know the formula from the intersection, again from the intersection. EE into EB. EC into ED. So this is 5.6 into 10. 8 into ED. 5.6 into 10. Point and decimal 1 and 10. So it is 5.6. It goes down. 7s are. So in 7th, answer is 7, means A. 8. ABCD. Angle A is triple time of C. Suppose C is X. A is triple time of C. So this is 3x. Condition number 1, A, B, C, D is cyclic. Condition number 2, how much is C? A is 3 times. So suppose C is x degree. 3 times of that is 3x degree. Now we want measure angle A plus measure angle B. C, sorry, opposite, is 180 because it is cyclic. So 3x plus x is equal to 180. 4x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 4. 45 degrees. So sorry, something is two conditions are given. Wait. Twice of A is thrice of C. Twice of angle A is equal to thrice of angle C. Like that they are given. Sorry. So double of angle A is triple of angle C. So what is angle A or what is angle C, for example? This will goes down to angle A divided by 3. This goes down. Now we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to angle C. Correct. But we want a measurement of C. So we will convert into C form. So angle A is equal to 3 by 2 angle C. So what is angle A? 3 by 2 angle C plus angle C is equal to 180. All multiply by 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 3 angle C plus 2 angle C, double, it is 360. This plus this is 5 angle C is equal to 360. Angle C is equal to 360 divided by 5. Any number divided by 5, make it double. 72 and cut one decimal. So 72 it is given, that is B option, B. Correct. Now final, A, B, C are on a circle. A, B, C are on circle. Such that AB is equal to BC is equal to 120. AB 120, BC 120. What is the type of ABC? If this is 120, so this is 60. And if it's 120, then this is also 60. Inscribed angle is half of the inscribed arc. In any triangle, two angles are 60, then it is said to be equilateral triangle. So third also it automatically equals 60. So equilateral triangle A is the correct answer. This is eighth one. Sorry, ninth one. The triangle in which two angles are of 60, 60, then third automatically it is 60. Or the triangle in which two angles are 60, according to the definition, it is equilateral triangle. That is your first choice. Segment XZ, it is the diameter of the circle. Point Y line lies in the interior. How many of the following statements are true? XY is a diameter. Last MCQ, then I'll rub. XY, XZ, sorry. Y lies inside. I have given that when it is half circle.
Sir, last 10 minutes.
Okay, when it is on the circle exactly it is 90. When it goes out, it becomes smaller. Exactly on the circle 90. Outside less than 90. Inside more than 90. So it is more than 90. Greater than 90. So which statements are correct? First, it is not possible that XYZ is an acute angle. Right, it is not possible. So first one, correct. XYZ can't be right angle triangle. XYZ, yes. XYZ is an obtuse angle. Yes, it is obtuse angle. Can't make a definite statement from measure of XYZ. From XYZ, no. First correct, second is correct, third is correct. Can't make a definite statement of the measurement of X, Y, Z. We can make. So first three are correct. Fourth is not correct. First is what? It is not acute. Correct. When it is on a circle, 90. Outside acute, inside obtuse. So not acute. Next, it is not a right angle triangle. Correct, because when it is on a circle, it is right angle triangle. It is obtuse. Yes, it is not right angle, it is not acute, so it is obtuse. Correct. And fourth, they have given that we can't say anything about Y. No, we can say that is more than 90 and obtuse. That is wrong. Okay, wait. Question number 2. Center is O. One tangent at P of line L. Now, question, radius is given 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters. First question, distance OP is how much? 9 centimeters. Radii is equal to 9 centimeters. OQ is equal to 8 centimeters. O to Q less than radii, so inside, exactly on radii, on the circle, more than radii, outside the circle. Three statement. Exactly on the radii, it will be on the circle. Less than radii, inside. Inside of circle. PQ distance P to Q is equal to 15 centimeters. How many location of R from P to Q is from P to Q is 15. Suppose it is 15. This side it can be Q. This side it can be Q. This is 15. This is 15. Okay. And now, how many location of R are lie on line L? At what distance will each of them from point P? So actually they have asked for Q, Q1, Q2. So it can be 2. On line from here 15, 15. At what distance will each of them be from P? At 15 centimeter only. Next. Tangent radii always 90. MLK. MLK. MK 12. KL 6√3. Radius and KM. This is X. As for the Pythagoras, in right angle triangle MLK, ML square plus LK square is equal to KM square. So X square plus 6√3 square, 12 square. So X square, 12 square, 6√3 square. 12, 12, 144, 6, 6, 36 exam. So that is 36. Square root always positive and negative. So X is equal to 6. And they have asked measurement. I'll write here. Measure angle K is equal to how much? 30. Why? Because this is opposite to it is half of the hypotenuse. So ML is equal to half of MK. That is why. This is 90. This is 30. So automatically this is 60. measure angle M. Correct. Next, yeah,